If OpenArt AI is giving you an error, freezing, or just refusing to generate images, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. We're going to start with the hard reset, then check your prompt and credits, and finally go through the connection fixes that solve the most stubborn issues. This is the same troubleshooting flow I use when OpenArt starts acting up, and it can save you a lot of time. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorial fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, we'll do the hard reset. While you're on the OpenArt tab, press Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or Command plus Shift plus R on Mac. This forces your browser to reload the page completely instead of using an old cached version. A lot of UI glitches happen because the browser is holding onto outdated files, so this single step can fix a surprising number of problems. If the page looks stuck, broken, or the buttons are not responding properly, this is the first thing you should try. After that, check your credits. Look at the top right corner of OpenArt and make sure you actually have generation credits available. If your balance is 0, the platform may fail silently, or it may show a vague error message that doesn't clearly explain what's wrong. This is one of the most common reasons people think OpenArt is broken when the real issue is simply that the account has no remaining credits. So before you keep troubleshooting, confirm that your balance is active. If the hard reset does not solve it, move on to the input check. If you're seeing a risk control or safety error, your prompt is probably being flagged by OpenArt's filters. In that case, the best fix is to cut your prompt in half and make it simpler. Remove any sensitive or highly specific words that could trigger the safety system. Words like child, blood, intimate, or celebrity names can sometimes cause the prompt to be blocked, especially if the wording is detailed or ambiguous. OpenArt's filters can be strict, so simplifying the prompt often gets rid of the error immediately. A good trick is to test with a shorter, cleaner version of the same idea. Keep the main subject, remove extra complexity, and avoid wording that could be interpreted in multiple ways. If the shorter prompt works, then you know the issue is not the platform itself. It's the input. From there, you can slowly build the prompt back up while staying inside the filter limits. Now, if the error is still happening, the next step is to check your browser connection. Disable any ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPNs temporarily. These tools often block the API calls that OpenArt needs in order to generate the image, and when that happens, you may see a network error or some other generic connection failure. Even if your internet is working normally, an extension can still interfere with the site in the background. If you're not sure whether an extension is the problem, open OpenArt in an incognito or private window. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N, and on Mac, use the private browsing option in your browser. If OpenArt works in incognito, that is a strong sign that one of your browser extensions is causing the issue. In that case, go back and turn them off one by one until you find the one that is blocking the site. To make the process faster, start by disabling the most likely culprits first, like ad blockers, VPN extensions, tracker blockers, or script blockers. Then reload OpenArt and test again. If the site starts working, you found the source of the problem. This is especially useful if OpenArt seems fine on one browser but not another, because it usually points to a browser-level conflict rather than an OpenArt server issue. So to quickly recap, if OpenArt AI is showing an error, start with Ctrl plus F5 or Command plus Shift plus R. Check that your credits are not 0, simplify any prompt that triggers safety or risk control errors, then disable extensions and test incognito mode. In most cases, one of these steps will get OpenArt working again without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more AI tool guides, troubleshooting tips, and fast fixes like this. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing the best prompt settings for OpenArt so you can avoid these errors in the first place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.